Alrighty, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out, and I've already marked, hold on, there's something in front of my camera. I've already marked the center line. So this is going to be a symmetrical. So I'm going to go ahead and do that fun flipping thing where you pull the arms through. Make it all nice and symmetrical. There's a separate video that shows this in detail. For this video, I'm just going to go through it a little quicker. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and turn this around like that. I'm going to grab a bit of sinew. Just tie that on the end of this. And now I can make my oval. Looks about right. Okay. So I'm just going to accordion fold up that. Alright, I'm going to back this off. Just a little bit. Do a second one. That's probably about 1/4 of an inch if I can get it to actually catch. There it goes. Alrighty. I'm going to touch this up a little. Add some rubber bands. Hold that in place. Alright, on this side, I'm going to touch it up a little. I don't know, right about there is kind of the line, and then I'm going to go ahead and scrunch this. So I just wanted to make sure that it was somewhat in line. I'm going to do this half, rubber band this real quick. Come back and do this half. off to dye. Alright, for this I am using lemon yellow, banana yellow, deep orange, fire red, and probably a little oxblood red, along with robin's egg blue, brilliant blue, and seashell blue. So let's go ahead and dye this. I won't be using all the colors on both sides, so just so you know. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt, and then come back and check it out and flip it over. Alright, this went all the way through, which I wasn't planning on, so I guess that side's done. The rest of this didn't, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this, drop it on some aluminum foil, and fold that up real quick. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through, and then we'll do a washout in a few hours. Alright, let's go ahead and do this washout. Alright, go throw this in the wash and take a final look in a bit. Alright, here's the front. Here's the back. Overall, I'm really happy with it. We have a portal surrounded by a ring of fire. At least that's what I'm going with. Not much else to say. I like the fire. It turned out really well. It's not the flaming fire that it would be if it was an incline, but it works really well as far as the colors and everything. That turns out really nice. So, what do you think? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.